All right, now, so this, because we have a glare, we get this marker working so you can see the plane view. All right. All right, so this is our bicep circle. We only did a quarter circle, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll have 9 points of both sides of our squared around. The next step is to lay out what they call a true length triangle, right? True length triangle is the true length of the fitting. So again, we said we was going to make this sweater around 10 inches, right? Including the collar. So that means that we need to make an 8-inch true length triangle. Excuse me. So we're going to do all the stuff that we need for the pattern on this small piece of metal, and we're going to transfer this to a bigger piece of metal when we actually lay out the pattern. And you're going to see how the two go together. So, all right. So, I'm gonna grab my 1-inch working line. All right. So, this is the fun part. So, 8 inches off of the 1-inch working line. All right, boom. This is the top, this is the bottom. All right, let's mark it. Okay. So we're gonna start off with point 1. All right, so again, this is our true length triangle. I don't know if you can see it, but this is our triangle. So we're going to transfer these points over to our true length triangle. So let's say this is A and this is A, okay? All right, so I'll divide this at point A. Alright, so A and A. A to 1. So we're going to take this here, scribe a line on true length triangle. This would be 1. It would be 1. 1. Alright, we're going to do the same thing. A to 2. A to 3. A to 3. A to 4. 4. Four, 5, okay. Now, let me show you guys a shortcut. So if you look closely, right, the distance between 1 and A is the same as A and 9. Same for 2 and A and 8 and A. 3 and A, 7 and A. 4 and A and 6 and A. So instead of repeating the process, all we're going to do is write underneath of 1, 9. Underneath of 2, we're going to write 8. Underneath of 3, we're going to write 7. I forgot to put 5 there. And underneath of 4, we're going to write 6. Okay? So now, that's all we have to do, and that's the shortcut. The next step we will use, the next thing we will do is lay out the pattern. So you can see that clearly. Let's zoom in on that true length triangle. Let me explain that a little bit more. Again, this is 8 inches tall, and this is the baseline. So the squared around in its entirety is 10 inches long. However, you have 2 inches of straight. So we only triangulating 8 inches. So that's why the true length triangle is 8 inches. Next, we go ahead and lay out the pattern. Let's go.